Hello everyone! Every tip you're about to hear in this video has been verified by expert mechanics, so take a deep breath. We're going to solve this together. When your Ford shows the message, driver alert warning, rest suggested, the car is basically telling you, hey, I think you might be a little tired. It would be a good idea to take a break. It doesn't mean you're about to fall asleep at the wheel. Rather, the system detected a driving pattern that seems less attentive than usual. The interesting part is that this message sometimes appears even when you're wide awake. Forums are full of users saying it popped up while they were listening to music, drinking coffee, or just making normal lane changes. This happens because the system uses the front camera and the vehicle's behavior to calculate your alertness level. If it senses small erratic movements or slight lane deviations, it interprets that you might be tired. That's why many drivers get surprised when the message shows up on short trips or straight roads. The driver alert system is quite sensitive. Tiny lane drifts or frequent speed changes can confuse it and make it think your attention is dropping, even if you're fully focused. One cause mechanics from this shop point out is the lane monitoring camera. If the lens is dirty, or if there's sun glare, rain, or snow, the system might not see the lines clearly and will display the warning for safety. It's like the car saying, I'm not sure what you're doing, better take a break. Cleaning the camera and keeping the lane markings visible greatly reduces false alerts. Many mechanics also mention that you can adjust or even disable driver alert from the vehicle's menu if it becomes too annoying. That said, mechanics recommend keeping it on for highway driving because the system can really help when you are genuinely tired. It's not a mechanical fault, it's more like an assistant that sometimes gets a little overcautious.